So, so I mean, you've put your finger on. Look, economics, and I talk about this just at some length in the book. Economics was behavioral until about 1940. Adam Smith was a behavioral economist. John Maynard Keynes was a great behavioral economist. It has nothing to do with whether we should have deficit spending. Just read his chapter on financial markets. It's a brilliant bit of behavioral economics. Then in the 40s and 50s, the mathematical revolution started. And you're right that, I mean, the reason why economics got more and more rational is because of the bounded rationality of economists. So the easiest models to write down are of people optimizing. Because if you took high school calculus, you know how to take a derivative, set it equal to 0, and solve. So that's optimizing. If people are human and emotional and pay attention to supposedly irrelevant factors, then that simple model will be false. Now, can you build formal models that capture actual behavior? Yes. One example is a theory of decision-making, under uncertainty called prospect theory that was developed by Kahneman and Tversky in 1979. It's a much better description of how people make choices in uncertain situations than the previous theory, expected utility theory. And there are other, so the new wave of behavioral economics includes theorists writing down mathematical models that try to capture some aspect of truth. What we don't have, and will never have, in my opinion, is a new overarching theory. If you want one parsimonious theory, stick with the one we have. It's just wrong. So, but I mean, there's, you know, we need to have those theories. I couldn't do behavioral finance without the efficient market hypothesis as a benchmark. And there's nothing wrong with writing down those models unless you start to think they're true. And so one of the reasons we got into trouble, into the financial crisis, is that people like Alan Greenspan believed the efficient market hypothesis and didn't think there could be a real estate bubble, and didn't think that banks would give loans to people who couldn't pay the money back. And he gave a famous mea culpa speech where he admitted as much, but it came a little late. Yeah.